Alright, good evening everybody. Si Coach Sal Humaman po ito. Before we get started, I'd like to play a short intro video um, for you. Here we go.
Optimus introduces an innovative solution to the market, a fully integrated platform with a MasterCard for the first time. With a simple and intuitive process, customers can use the balance in their Optimus account to withdraw funds directly to their MasterCard. Once the withdrawal is initiated, the balance becomes available for use within 34 hours. The card operates as a credit card, requires no currency conversion, and is accepted at any merchant worldwide that supports MasterCard. No KYC or additional verification is required, allowing customers to use it as a secure cold wallet with instant liquidity for their USDT. Optimus, innovation and economic freedom for a prosperous future.
Ayan, super exciting guys. Imagine if you can find opportunity where you can grow your crypto income, your assets, and yet at the same time, you have the ability to have that card, right? So you can spend your crypto wherever you at. Oh my gosh, super exciting. Yan po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon with tonight's presentation with the Optimus VIP Optimus VIP Filipino presentation. Okay? Here we go. Let me just share screen. Yeah, share screen natin uli ang ating PowerPoint. Hold on guys, just a minute. Let me go ahead and find my PowerPoint real quick. All right, here you go. All right, share screen. All right, and then start from the beginning. Ayan. So welcome to our tonight's Optimum VIP Filipino presentation. Ako po ang inyong presenter for tonight, Coach Sal Humawan from Las Vegas, Nevada. Konting background lang po. Ako po ay born in the Philippines, Malabon, 14 years old when we came to the United States. So my whole family lives here in the United States. I pretty much grew up in California and currently now I live in Las Vegas. I live in Las Vegas with my family, with my wife, my three kids, and my eldest daughter, already nurse by profession, has already have a child. So meron na rin po tayong apo. Lolo na rin po si Coach Sal. Hindi lang po halata dahil hindi nyo makita ang puting balbas at ang puting buhok. But anyway, so si Coach Sal po ay meron na rin pong konting mga background, experience pagdating po sa online marketing. I've reached executive level to three different companies. Um, when I was in 3 years ago with another company during pandemic, prior to pandemic, and then right after that with a another company about 2023 and another company with a travel company. So guys, I'm introduced to a crypto space. Nung una talagang iniiwasan ko kasi hindi ko siya naintindihan. But the more you hear, the more you learn about, the more you wanted to learn. And I totally believe guys that the crypto is the way of spending money in the future, right? Because it makes sense. Pag nagpunta ka sa dito sa Las Vegas, no, pag nagpunta ka sa mga convenience store or sa casino, you will find crypto ATM cards. So people are starting to learn how to use crypto as the way to spend money. So ngayon pag-usapan natin, no, how can we, if there's an opportunity where you can grow, earn an additional income through the crypto space. But guys, as good as the opportunity is, there are many bad opportunities. So importante guys, alamin natin ang kailangan nating alamin so that we can make a wise decision towards the end, right? So kasi yes, if you made a bad experience or bad decision before, right? Shame on them. But then if you keep making the same bad decision, it's shame on you. So guys, sabi ko no, before I get involved with this opportunity, I wanted to know what I needed to know, and then I asked the question I needed to ask, and I discovered the information that I needed are all valid and legit, and here I am presenting the information to you. So guys, I will try my best na keep it Tagalog. Kaya nga, I'm doing this for our kababayan. Because marami po tayong recorded English presentation, but I believe this is the very first one, Tagalog presentation with Optimus VIP. So welcome tonight. Tonight. So it's 12 o'clock at night. I'm recording this so that as soon as I'm done with this, I will upload this YouTube and share it to the group and to the community. Right now, we are in building phase with the leadership, and very soon we're gonna start, you know, tapping out into the public, to the community. Okay, so ayan po. Let me introduce to you, no, sino ba ang CEO ng Optimus VIP? Walang iba po kundi si Antonio Salas, which is the CEO of the Optimus VIP. This person, this young guy, has a degree in business admin from Mackenzie Presbyterian University. Okay, he has MBA, master's degree in international relationship from the University of Salamanca. He is also the advisor to the Consulate of Spain in Brazil, so he's highly involved with the community. He's a financial director of the PP political party in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Founded a startup company called Dash Controles at age 18. Batang-bata pa siya, no? And at age 19, he sold his portion, his stakes of the company at $1.2 million. So at early age, guys, so sa edad na tayo mahilig pa mag-party-party, this guy has already made himself to be a multi-millionaire. In dollars, not in pesos, guys. So at age 21, guys, he led the tech team for a billion-dollar publicly traded company in Latin America, a retail group in Latin America called Lojas Americanas. Okay? At age 23, he started his own software development company focused on creating solutions for retail chains. It uses that uses fintechs and blockchain technologies. Okay, so this guy has a lot of experience. All right, so Mr. Salas believes though that Optimus VIP ecosystem, eto na, ang baby project niya, will be a game changer in the global trading space, helping ordinary people like you and me to achieve extraordinary results. You don't have to be super expert in trading in order for you to make money. And by the way, guys, we don't need to do any trading here, although we are in the trading platform. Okay? So, introduction. Optimus is a pioneering project that combines AI with high frequency trading bots. It leverages the AI to optimize real-time decision making. So this AI are the one that's helping making that decision to complete successful transactions by merging advanced algorithm with ultra fast execution. We have created the technological breakthrough and set new efficiency standards in the finance sector. So with the technology that that this company has, this allow us to use intelligent automation to produce consistent daily returns, daily profit, whether the market is up or down. So what happens? The daily returns gets shared to the community. Okay, so prior to public release, before they allow us, the people in public, to participate into this project, they tested this project for more than 30 months, managing more than $9 million in proprietary and client capital. So they managed their clients, so they experimented, they're tested with their with their clients, and it took them almost 3 years, because 30 months is almost 3 years, right? Before they made it available to you and me. So the AI algorithm operates on trading view. Kung kayo ay marunong sa trading, yung trading view ang ginagamit nila, to work with the patent technology. It analyzes the history of the currency pairs to identify trends and automatically execute buy and sell trades. Okay, so it uses trading view, to help analyze and trade, you know, in the market. So Optimus has a decentralized master wallet with a triple authentication in the MetaMask, and distributes this capital across 8 3-hour trading cycles in more than 120 Binance accounts to carry out transactions. So I don't know, this is overloading to many of you, but this is a strategy being used para kung sakali, some trading get blocked and stuff, some trading accounts get blocked, continuous pa rin ang accounts natin. Okay? Kasi it can happen. To this avoid issue of account blocking or suspension, ensuring a profitable and secure operational flow. Okay, so that is what the trading platform is all about. So it was actually initially launched in Latin America on the third quarter of 2024, towards the end of the year, right? So just this year, first quarter of global launch of 2025, they made it available to everybody. But first, it was in the Latin America, then now it's available to us. Kaya tayo, kasama na tayo doon sa global launch. All right. Super exciting. Not many people have heard of this. Sa Pilipinas, tayo pa lang ang maghahatid ng magandang balita sa ating mga crypto friends. Okay? So, there are 5 ways to make money. So, this is a very short presentation, guys. Number one, daily performance rewards, direct referral bonuses, binary commission, residual withdrawal bonuses, and career plan bonuses. Guys, super exciting. Number one, daily performance reward. Itong daily performance reward natin, this allows anybody to earn daily, even without trying recruiting or inviting or doing the business. Okay, so with a minimum of 20 USDT, you can deposit, to Optimum VIP account, and that will earn you 0.8% daily, just depositing your money to the system, right? So, and then the platform, the AI is the one's going to do all the work for you and all that. So, guys, very conservative numbers. So, unlike other opportunity you probably seen in the past, they promise you 2%, 4%, and in the end, they're no longer here, right? So, with this, just for example, if you decide, let's say, okay, let me give it a try, let's put $100. Your $100 will earn 0.8% daily, but in the whole month, if you calculate it in the whole month, that 0.8% daily will turn out to be $24 profit in 1 month. Okay, earnings, not earnings. Okay, so, and then this will continue until the amount of money you deposited earn 200%. So if yung 100 mo, eventually, with the small earnings that you get daily, will reach $200. Then it stops paying. Now it's up to you if you want to mag-deposit uli, or you just want to have to pull it out, right? But guys, you don't have to wait until your money double. You can start withdrawing your earnings as long as you reach more than $10. The minimum withdrawal is $10. Okay? So, for anybody na hindi naman mahilig mag-share or mag-invite or they just wanted to see how this works, yeah, you can start as little as $20. And your $20 will start earning you 0.8% daily. All right? Can you see the the beauty of this? So for some people that has the money, they rather have their money earned daily rather than earn nothing in the bank, right? Because of the inflation costs more than keeping your money in the bank, right? So then they have an option to um, deposit their money with Optimus VIP. Okay? Now, dito ako excited, guys. Imagine you're in the Philippines, you know somebody in the US, right? Then you mention about Optimus VIP, nag-attend sila ng presentation, they like what they hear, sabi niya, okay, let me give it a try. So they say $20 lang naman, $20 USDT, okay, let's give it a try. So when your friend, okay, you're in the Philippines, your friend in the US, right, decides to set up an account, maglagay siya ng $20 USDT, then you will earn 10% bonus from the amount that they deposited. So that would be a $2 referral bonus. So that's only if that person deposited $20. What if that person deposited $100? Then you would have $20 well, tama, $20, right? Hindi, teka. Uh, um, I'm sorry guys, my mind went blank. So sa $20 is $2. Oh, tama, time. There you go. So so you will earn 10%. Sa $100 you will earn tama, sa $100 you will earn $10. Okay, sa $20 you will earn $2 because that's 2% of $20. So we can't stop people, you know, they will deposit the amount they want. But what's good about this program, unlike other program, they want you to dump your money in there. Right here, start with $20 and see how the system performs. Okay? Here we go. So you can refer your friend in Canada that puts $100, then you will earn how much? $10. But let's say you know somebody in Brazil, nag nag-deposit siya ng 1,000, then 10% ng 1,000 is $100. What if your friend in United States nag-deposit ng $10,000, then you will earn $1,000 direct referral bonus. Okay? So that's pretty uh, direct message to the point. Which, by the way, no income disclosure. Income is not guaranteed. We are all adults here. Everything, you know, we advise. I mean, we suggest that every business that you do, there are risks. So only risk what you can afford. But analyze the information. At the end, you make that decision. But no one's gonna guarantee with you success, but we just only give you information. Okay, so 10% bonus is paid on every deposit made by your direct referral. So the more direct referral you have, the more exciting it is because I'm going to show you later on why. Okay, now, eto guys, ang exciting ito sa binary commission. Okay, so let's pretend, okay, so you will earn 10% on the side with the lesser point total. So what I love about the binary is you don't have to build so many teams. You can direct referral as many people and make the money, but every time you have a new direct referral, you're helping somebody else in your team, whether it is on your left team or on your right team, right? So ganito po, no? So imagine here in this situation, um, you have you referred somebody in Canada that knows somebody in Korea, and so on and so forth, right? So depends on how much volume each of the leg accumulates. All right, every 2 hours the system will cycle. So if you have 400 points here, okay, 4,000 points on the left leg, and then you have 3,000 points on the right leg, the system will match the smaller points, you know, to the bigger points, and then uh, the 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 leftover on the bigger points will carry over. So in this case, the matching points would be 3,000, right? 3,000. Then you will earn 10% of that. Okay? So imagine mo, you already built a community that is going on fire because we're helping each other out, right? 10% ng 3,000 will be a $300 matching bonus on a binary. Now, take note guys, ang ating binary, all right, calculates every 2 hours. So assuming this person bring in another person after you got paid 300, pero ang dami mo ng volume dito na nakaabang. Remember, you still have 1,000 volume na nakatira, na leftover. The remaining, itong mga bagong mga magpe-pay in, whatever the amount you will end up here, if it's smaller, right, will match to the volume to the other side. So let's say you ended up with 500 points here. Then $500, 500 points, you will earn 10% of that 500 points. Ngayon, ang maganda rito guys, the exciting part of this guys is every 2 hours nagsa-cycle. I have never seen a binary company that cycles every 2 hours. The most frequent binary cycle that I've ever seen is one cycle a day. So guys, you don't have to worry about flushing out here, right? Pag hindi nagamit yung points dito, back to zero ka, hindi po. Dito, every 2 hours, you will cycle. So guys, I highly recommend, if you see the beauty of this plan, reserve your spot right away. It's free to reserve your spot anyway, right? It's free to reserve your spot. Okay, here we go. But in order for you to get paid on your binary, kailangan meron kang isang direct referral na nagbayad ng minimum ng $20 USDT Polygon, okay? Or because we use different kinds of USDT, Polygon, USDC, and TRC. Pinakamurang uh, transfer fee is the Polygon. So I highly recommend the Polygon. Anyway, so, and you need to have another direct referral on the other side. Okay? So, importante, the moment you join in, I would recommend lock in your left and your right. Could be your family, right? So, plus, ang maganda rito guys, wala kang monthly payment na aalalahanin. The moment you get the moment you pay in, the moment you make your first deposit of $20 or more, you're not required to keep depositing every month. Okay? So, this is super exciting. Mamaya, no, if we have time, maybe I can log into my back office, show you how many times today I cycle. Kahit na sabi mong pa $2, $2 lang yan kasi we have to start somewhere, right? We have to start somewhere. So I'm super excited with this binary because this is a way for us guys to make money with the crypto program without having to without having to dump so much money. That's why a lot of people get hurt with the other companies because in order for them na makabawi, para sila makabawi from the other opportunity they had, they need to dump a lot of money to the new opportunity. With this program, you don't. It's just a lot of people doing a little bit. And then for some of the people that see the value of what we have, then for me, ako, nagsimula ako sa $10, ay sa $20. Then when I say, okay, I have extra $100, then naglagay uli ako ng $100. So I consider this like a savings account. Okay, here we go. So you must have one active on the left side and one active on the other side. Okay, so now, eto pa maganda guys. Residual withdrawal bonuses. So why is it residual? Because the people that you brought in, okay, they're going to cash their money out, right? So, kumbaga, when somebody goes in, the restaurant, someone's gonna go out, right? Kahit na libre na yung pumasok sa restaurant, singilin mo sa paglabas, panalo ka. So maganda sa opportunity natin, ano, you make money when you help somebody, you know, make deposit so they can earn money daily. And you make money when they cash money out. Because here's what happens. When you cash your money out with a minimum of $10, there's a 10% withdrawal fee. Okay? Now, what happens with the 10% withdrawal fee? 6.4%, I mean 3.6%, let's talk about this part right here, goes to maintain our website, our platform, and portion of it goes to promotion, and then of course more profit, right? Now 6.4% may get, more than 50% goes back to us. So kung yung taong na direct referral mo nag-withdraw, you will earn 2.4% of the 6.4%. So meaning, kahit natutulog ka, yung mga tao nagwi-withdraw, kumikita ka. Yung mga tao nagpe-pay in, kumikita ka, natutulog ka, kumikita ka. And then you will earn what? 1.6% on the second level, and then you will earn 0.8% on the third, 0.8% on the fourth, 0.8% on the fifth. My gosh, super, super exciting, guys. So if you really want to make a lot of money with this program, if you understand this, guys, do not, you do as much direct referral as you can, because the money is in the direct referral. Although we have binary, you know, you're building yourself a lot of residual income besides the residual income you're going to make in a binary, because of all this direct referral for signing people up, and direct referral and then money for your direct referral when they're cashing their money out. All right, super exciting. So say somebody that withdrew $1,000, right? So $24 will go to you if it's at your direct referral. Remember, the people that you brought in somebody, right? Then you on the second level will make $16, and so on and so forth. Super, super, super exciting. All right, so now the last part is what we call the career plan, right? So remember earlier, pinag-usapan natin yung you make money on the pay leg, on a smaller leg. Tapos pag nag-cycle yan, you will earn 10%. So it doesn't stop there. So pag nag-cycle yan, kunyari, yung kaninang example natin, no, nag-cycle, then you earn 3,000 points kasi that's the smaller leg, so it will calculate towards the career plan bonus. Kung let's say nag-cycle uli on the second cycle, nag-earn naman niya ng 500. Okay? Tapos nag-cycle uli, nag-earn naman niya ng another 1,000 points. Those cycled points gets accumulated, right? And then it starts earning you rewards, right? So, pag umabot na yung cycle points mo to 5,000, then you will earn the smartwatch reward, right? And then or you will get a $70 USDT deposit into your back office. And the moment you get the $70 USDT, right, you can withdraw this anytime you want. Yeah, you can withdraw it right away. Now, pag umabot ng 10,000 yung mga cycle bonus mo, now you are platinum and you will get the AirPod reward or $200 into your back office to your wallet, right? Then if it reached 20,000 cycled bonuses, I mean cycled points, right? Then you will get the tablet. It goes up to if it goes to 40,000, then you get an iPhone. Now, if it gets to 80,000, right? You will get the trip to Caribbean. And here's the exciting part, guys. And when it reaches 4,000, you will get a free trip. Okay, 120,000. If you get 120,000, right? You will get a free trip to Cancun or $4,000 USDT into your wallet. Oh, guys, this is where it gets more exciting. This is our goal, to reach diamond ranks. Pag umabot na ng 200,000, yung smaller leg mo, accumulated, you will get the motorcycle reward or get 8,000 USDT to your wallet. It gets even more exciting when it reached 500,000. Remember, guys, it's everybody helping everybody. A lot of people doing a little bit accumulated as one accumulated points in your smaller binary leg. Okay? Pag umabot ng 500,000, guys, then you will get the car reward or $35,000 USDT added to your wallet. It gets even more exciting. If it gets 1 million, then you will get the apartment reward or 75,000 added to your wallet. And this is the most coveted ones. When you reach the black diamond, you at 5 million minimum on your 5 million on your smaller leg, on your pay leg, accumulate volume, then you get the house reward. So, or you can get the 400,000 USDT to your back office, right? And guys, you can do whatever you want with this. You can use this as to buy a house or down payment, because in California you can't really buy a house for 400,000, right? So, here's the exciting part, guys. If you have more than $10,000 deposited, so it could be your earnings deposited into the account to the system, right? You can request for the Optimus Anonymous MasterCard. So through the FinTech partnership, Optimus has formed an alliance with MasterCard, providing access to the card without the need of KYC. So you are using this card under the umbrella of the company. So, ang maganda rito, guys, now with the thousands of dollars you're going to earn, thousands of USDT you're going to earn through Optimum, you no longer you no longer have to think, how I'm going to liquidate all my crypto asset. You can use this card to buy a car, to pay off your loan, to go on a vacation. It's really up to you. So, guys, super exciting. Um, this auto converts to any local fiat currency. It operates using dollars or whatever currency that you have, Philippine pesos or UK pound. Yeah, it works everywhere. MasterCard is accepted and it can be used at the ATM. Gusto mo mag-withdraw ng pera, right? So, sabi nung iba, hindi naman totoo yan, guys. I've seen it, I feel it. When I met with um, Dr. Gamet, we met at his office, I felt it. It's metal, super exciting. Of course, I didn't spend on it because it's not my card, but I'm super excited to be able to avail one of this. That means when I have one of these, that means I earned more than $10,000 already through Optimus VIP. All right. Super excited. Coming soon. Actually, we already have the ICO in initial coin offering of Optimus Coin. Oh my goodness. So this Optimus Coin will be used for our own transaction within the community. And soon, we're going to have the Optimus Exchange. So, imbes na bibili kayo ng coins through other external exchange, then you can buy your own coins. Even other people can be buying coins from our own Optimum Exchange, and more products are coming. In fact, instead of me talking about it, I want to introduce you to our conversation with the CEO of the company. So guys, pay attention lang kayo. Maybe you have to rewind and then play this again kasi meron siyang Brazilian accent. But so this, just do your best to listen in to what he's talking about. Okay, here we go. All right. It's a pleasure to meet you, Antonio. My name is Sal. I live in Las Vegas. but I was born in the Philippines, and I do have a lot of network that I still work with the Filipino community in the Philippines and in the U.S. or Northern America. So I guess the
I'm here now with one leader from Filipinas. Say hello. Lucy.
oh
Hello.
hi, how are you?
Kamusta po?
Kumusta?
Okay lang.
Okay,
Okay.
that's amazing. That's good. That's being recorded. You show that that questions. I guess the question they always ask is from the previous experience that we have, how do we validate, how can they validate the longevity of the program? Because with the past program that we have, the people that we're communicating are the people behind Telegram, but there's no way for us to validate if the program is really trading or executing business and stuff. And pretty much the only basis we had was, yes, we're getting paid initially, but towards after 3 or 6 months, the rugs being pulled from us. So I guess that's basically the same common question that we ask. So what I wanna be able to hear from you so I can deliver it to them, the longevity of what the program we have here. So 'cause so far everything looks great. I mean, people are excited. But I told Dr. Tio and Hector and Brian, before we go all out in promoting, we just want to be able to respond to that question.
Perfect. Look, all binary system don't have big time in duration. It's impossible because the commission is very big, 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 and the company crashed in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, maximum 4 years. This is the reality from the binary. This is a sustainable system. But you work in the binary because you, like a leader, make big money in the binary. All leaders work because the money. I understand this about the word, but today we have the system. We have another experience, but in the last experiences we have good movimentation in the community. But today we have more technology and we have a good route. The route from Optimus is very clear. We start in the community. We start in a big community. We starting with the trade and the real trade in our operation have 30 months, 3 years in the market, basic, working in spots, trading binance. We have your explanation about this technical explanation. So you see it's not a magical trade, it's not a proprietary trade, If you have this information, this technical information, you search in YouTube all about this trading, you make this trading, and you see the results. But the trading, this is a big, big support to sustain this to more time. The very important to this, to work 4 years, 5 years in this model, this is have the not just the operation, but one big plan, one ecosystem. Another product make the people make money and the company make money. Because this Optimus is the first company in the history from the industry. Starting the first day, we have our Mastercard crypto card. Because I have one fintech, one bank, and I make the emission from the card just to the Optimus. This is a prepaid card, liquidity the USDT from the users, and put top up balance in these cards. No QIC. The people using these cards in all the world working. So they will have 2,500 cards. In the finish February, we have 5,000 cards working all day. But to make big money with this tool from the card, we starting the Optimus coin. Because today this is the press sale, starting the press sale of the Optimus coin. In 1 month, Optimus coin have a real utility. This is utility, this is recharge your card. No accepting more USDT to recharge the card, just Optimus coin. This is a big utility, real utility, and one token with a little supply, $100 million of the supply. In this year, we have done Optimus Academy, another project, finance education, training traders, training salesmen in the crypto market about education of our system. This program we pay like a Netflix all month using the Optimus Coin tool. And to finish the year, we have the Optimus Marketplace. Today we have 12 partners, but to the finish the year, I believe 30 partners, 60 to fly, products to gym, products for nutrition like whey protein. All you buy in the marketplace using the Optimus Coin. This is no more trading binary company. This is ecosystem working real utilities, strong coin, and strong and rich community in 2025. This is a big, beautiful project. 226, our prevision, this is make to the ecosystem started the liquidity pool from the token. Because in 25, the token, we change the token, you're using your token in the usability from the company to recharge your card, to buy products, to buy flight tickets, and to make the signature from Optimus Academy. But in 26, we started a big, big liquidity pool in Uniswap. In this moment, all the big markets, the traditional markets, see the token, see the utility, see the size of the community, and invested millions and millions of dollars in this liquidity pool. In this moment, we are the big company, respected, serious, 100% real company. About the trading and binary. The binary from 10%, unlimited. This is insustainable for like place. Because this we have in our plan, change the binary in 26. Change the life of the points. Today you receive the points. You have 30 unlimited life to use in your points. In 26, you have 30 days from your points. Like a company, company, big companies like a Roxana, using the binary, but your points have the time, the lifetime to using your points more sustainably. Muito bom? And using this, I believe we have a beautiful ecosystem to work 5 years, 6 years. But in 26 idea, this is a make Web 3.0 project. No more focus on the trading because I believe the people make big money with the community, the usability for the token, the liquidity pool. Our idea this is make the real project to stay in the all life work. No 5 years, 6 years. But we have big technology in the hand, all done our work.
That's beautiful. That's a lot of information, but I love what I heard. Well, thank you very much. You answered the question. You answered a lot in one question, so I appreciate that.
Hey, Antonio, I got one question for you.
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
How you going to sleep, man? Do you get any sleep with all this excitement?
How do you sleep?
No. Just to work hard.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm in this moment. We working hard in this moment to make the big community, and we make the marketing because I believe to make this token strong, we make using the strong the VIP project. All leaders come to see the company use an helicopter, have the VIP service, and we extend this to the investors. We have the partnership with the big hotels in Ibiza, Maldives, Rio de Janeiro, and Cancun. And we make the VIP signature plan to the more stakers for the coin. These guys have like the network, like Rotary, for example. We make events from these most important investors in big hotels, VIP, exclusive events, and the people don't just make with the coin, with the opt, but make money with the networking in these meetings to another business. And in this moment, all people look to the Optimus coin, look to the project. This is cool. And we have the liquidity pool, Uniswap, Billions Dollar, MasterCard, Visa, all working. The community is big, rich leaders, all to make the big project. Okay?
That's awesome. That's cool, man. I appreciate everything you're doing for the company.
Yes. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ted.
All right. So there you have it, guys. So let's review. Okay. There's 5 ways to make money. Okay. You can earn passive or you can build teams. I'm doing both. You can earn 200% of what you deposit. If you only put $20, that $20, kahit na hindi ka mag-recruit over a period of time, that $20 will turn into $40. So wala kang talo. Unlike other program, bayad ka ng bayad every month, walang bumabalik para ka nagbabayad ng insurance. So unlimited withdrawals with 10 USDT minimum. Start for as little as $20. When's the last time you've seen a big, huge crypto opportunity for as low as $20? Guys, the amount of money I lost with the crypto program last year, I don't have a lot of money to invest in this. And plus, I won't. I learned my lesson. You know, um, do not invest. Don't risk the amount of money you can't afford. Guys, for $20, everybody can afford it, right? So this is the first of its kind crypto, and we have the first of the kind crypto card with no KYC. So ang mga problema ang bigger problem ng mga tao kumikita sa crypto is how to pull it out, right? It's how to pull it out. Now you can spend your crypto, enjoy your crypto reward with the ATM debit card with no KYC. Once you start making the bigger money. For now, you're still making small money. It's easy to pull it out. No problem, you know? And even the people joining your business, you can use your earnings, you know? It's like a peer to peer. You can use that and then they can pay you cash. So that's still easy to move that money around. But the moment you start making thousands, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, $100,000, then this crypto card is going to come in place and help. All right. So that's all that we have for today. We invite you to position yourself. Get back to the person that invited you to watch this presentation, guys. Register for free because you might be in the position there's going to be a lot of spillover. Kung wala ka pang pera, that's fine. Then find a ways to register at least $20. And in order for you to get paid, lock in with the $20, then go to work, right? But for now, do not overthink this, guys. Do not overthink this. It's free to register. Mag-register ka na, so ma-position ka sa binary so people can be placed. And in fact, guys, kahit hindi ka pa nagbabayad, no, if you have even you haven't locked yourself in, you can already start pre-building your community, right? You will get the referral link and you can start referring people to your link and start building your community and then educate people so that they will be motivated and encouraged to lock in their position at least $20. But guys, it doesn't stop there, $20 is just the minimum. You can do $100, you can do $1,000, you can do, you know. So guys, see, this is Coach Sal Jumawan. I believe that we have found something that is going to change things around, especially if you have been looking for an opportunity in the crypto industry. Coach Sal Jumawan, get back to the person that invited you to watch this video and register for free. Bye for now.